Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 7 Plus, and today I'll show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode. So to start off, you want to pull down the notification panel, and you will find it right here. At least for me it's right here, the Do Not Disturb mode. If you don't see it on this page, it will be somewhere here, or under the pencil, and it could be right here. So you need to just kind of grab it and drag it like so. So from here, you can tap on it to enable it at the moment, basically as if you need it to be enabled right now, or you can also hold it to go into the settings where you can set it up more to however you like it, and also set up schedules for it. So from here I have behavior, sound and vibration. You can go in here, and as you can see, when Do Not Disturb mode is turned on, and alarms, media, and touch sound will basically still be on, well, apart from the touch sound. So you can check it on or off depending how you like it. Then you have notifications, and here you have again no visual or sound from notifications, no sound from notifications, or custom. So basically you have two options that are preset in a way, and then if you have custom, you can, as you can see, change it to however you like, basically by checking it on and off what you want. Now going back into the main page, then you have exceptions for calls and messages and event and reminders. So we're going to start with calls, and from here allow calls. So when Do Not Disturb mode is on, allow calls, and then you have options from no one, from starred contacts, which is favorites, from just contact list, or from anybody, which anybody would be just kind of like the Do Not Disturb mode is not on in a way. So choose whatever you like here, and then you have starred contacts below here, where you get to add the contacts that you kind of are like favorite, if you want to set that up. And if you go back, you have messages and stuff, and basically the same thing goes for as with calls. So no one, starred contacts, or everybody, and have reminders and allow events, so you can enable if you want that. And then we're going to the schedule, where you have it's right here, until turned off. So it's basically regarding if you enable it manually, and you can choose which one it is. If you, for instance, set ask every time, I confirm this. If I disable this and enable it, it will ask me every time I try to enable it for until I turn it off, or I can set a specific time till it turns off automatically. And you can also do right here, turn on automatically. So let's add, let's say, a new time, name this whatever you like, and from here you have days, so which day it's gonna turn on. You can switch them off if you don't want certain days to be on. So right now Saturday or Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is on. So at those 3 days, the Do Not Disturb mode will turn on automatically, and by default it's set to 10 to 7 in the morning, so kind of like a night time. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday at 10 p.m. it will turn on, and basically whatever we have set previously will be guided by how this works. So if you had calls from everybody and messages, you will still be able to hear them. If you have from no one at those days at this specific time, no one will be able to basically reach you. So you can set it up. Also, you can tap on the time and change it to whatever else you like, if you want it somehow some different time. So yeah, and again you can get a little under the name word on or off, meaning showing you that if it's enabled or not, and you can go into it and disable or enable it as you like. So, and apart, there's no way of enabling this automatic rules anyway, apart from actually accessing it right through here and enabling it like so. So that will be basically how you would set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this video helpful, Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.